Hey everyone, welcome to Grace Shot Down. Whether this is your first time or your 100th time visiting the channel, welcome. I created this channel in an effort to try and produce quality content that I wasn't seeing from other influencers on YouTube. I hope that by providing you an aerial option to my videos that it gives you, the viewer, a unique perspective that I haven't seen elsewhere. Now, when you hop on board with us, you're in for a variety of perspectives. First up, we have the raw, unedited drives. It's the real deal. Unedited footage straight from the road. Sure, I might mute the audio here and there, but it's all about that authentic, unfiltered Tesla experience. Next, buckle up for our passenger view videos. Imagine being right there with me, feeling the twists and turns as I capture the thrill from the passenger seat. With an extra camera, I superimpose the outside view onto the center screen, making it a ride you won't forget. And for those who like to groove while they cruise, check out our bird's eye view perspective videos. Soaring above the landscapes, you'll witness the Tesla's magic from a whole new angle. This version offers the same unedited drone or action camera angle, but it is time-lapsed and set to music, which offers a fun way to watch FSD. I also want to mention there are two additional playlists that you may want to check out while you're here. First is the Other Tesla and SpaceX playlist. In that playlist, I include some recent charger chats that I have produced, as well as some other fantastic resources that I have found here on YouTube that are Tesla or SpaceX related. And the last playlist that you'll find on the channel is the Other Drone Flight playlist. This playlist contains the highlights to all of my most recent aerial scenic flights. So, whether you're into the unfiltered road experience, the passenger seat thrill, or the rhythmic aerial view, Grace Shot Down is your go-to channel. Hit that subscribe button, join the community, and let's explore the future of driving together with Tesla's full self-driving. I'm Grace Shot Down. I thank you for joining us, and I can't wait to share these incredible journeys with you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next electrifying ride.